Hi, I'm Jared of Stone Soup Farm in Belchertown, and this is how to grow jalapeno peppers. Jalapenos are a type of chili pepper. They're one of the most common in Mexico and the United States. Peppers all are frost intolerant, and so if you live in an area with frost, you must wait until about 2 or 3 weeks before the frost date to sow the seeds of your peppers. If you're going to do it outside, then you should wait until about the last frost when you do so. Peppers each require about a foot on every side of the plant, so it's best to get a well tilled garden bed such as this, hopefully raised, plenty of compost, and mark out holes about a foot apart. If you want to do in rows, then do the rows about a foot or 18 inches apart. And then in each hole, plant one seed. One plant is plenty. And once you're done planting the seed, cover them up with about a half an inch to an inch of soil, and they should make it up through that. And once again, make sure you plant them after the frost, because if it frosts once the shoots have come up out of the ground, the whole plant is dead and you have to do it again. Keep them well watered, especially once they start to flower and make the actual peppers themselves, and keep it as weed-free as you can throughout the season, and you should have a pretty good bounty of jalapeno peppers. Jalapenos, when they come up out of the ground, are going to be, the peppers themselves will be green at first, and if you let them ripen, they usually start to get a sort of ribbing on the side, it looks like cracks, but it's not exactly, and eventually most of them will turn red, which is ripe, and they're a little bit sweeter that way. Although the traditional way to eat jalapenos is to harvest them green. I'm Jarrett from Stone Soup Farm, and that's how to grow jalapeno peppers.